Day 17.
In this episode, we get visited by a pod of dolphins. And things really stink when our head gets clogged. We were still making excellent time as we were closing in on our destination.
What is so special about day 17?
Tomorrow I get beer.
Tomorrow you get beer.
That's what all this is about right now. If that gets out of there, I can get to the beer to put in the fridge.
Tomorrow we should be there, and this was a no drinking cruise except for
Equator Day.
Except for Equator Day. Now, what are we gonna do? You're cleaning that out so that you can put...
I'm not cleaning that out.
We are cleaning that out.
Yeah. This is a group effort.
Because all our beer is stored underneath this bed.
Under the bed. There is a bed in there.
Yeah. And all of our other crap is on top of the bed, so we're trying to organize all that so that we can put our beer in the refrigerator so it's nice and cold for when we get there.
And Tony has a room to sleep in.
And Tony has a room to sleep in. Tony won't be here till like the 1st, so we have a few days.
It's cold beer.
Top priority is cold beer for tomorrow, yes.
Number 2, Tony. Sorry, bud.
Yeah.
That's what we're looking for. Mexican beer in the Mar cases. Perfect.
In hindsight, we should have bought more beer.
So right now we got the Watermaker, our Rain Man Watermaker running. System's pretty easy to set up. We got that running. It's the 3rd time we've run it. Last time we were running it for the trip. The Marquesas are real strict, or principal on these is real strict. They want to know how much alcohol you have on board, whether it's for personal use or whatever, because they want to make sure you're not trying to sell it. So we have to take an inventory of all our alcohol. Believe me, there's quite a bit.
Yeah.
There's quite a bit. Well, this is gonna suck. You may remember from a previous episode, this is the one bathroom that doesn't have a head pumped directly overboard. It all goes through the tank here. Well, the problem is that tank's not emptying anymore and it's full. We don't want to have to stop to try to snake it from the outside, so we're gonna try to snake it from the top down. See if we can snake it down. I don't know. It's gonna be really gross. I don't know if this is a wise decision, but we're gonna try to snake it from the top. Basically, it goes through the little entry, through the tank, and then through. It's gonna be gross. Get this.
Oh my God, that's all Bonnie's too.
Success! How to clean off the snake. You ready? You held it? That's pretty gross. I'm not gonna lie, I got a little splatter on me. I'm gonna need to take a shower pretty quick.
I'm not sure if it's our poo that attracted the dolphins, but they showed up right after that.
We have 183 nautical miles left to go. We're currently doing about 7.5 knots, which puts us there at right at 24 hours, which puts us in around 3 p.m. their time. We'd kind of like to beat that, so we're probably going to end up motoring throughout the night just to make sure we get there in plenty of time to check in and anchor and all that stuff. Unfamiliar anchorage, unfamiliar place, not being checked in. I'd rather get that done during the daytime. We're going to haul butt. You realize this is our last sunset.
That's why I changed lenses.
I'm okay with that. They've been great, but I want to see like a different backup.
Yeah? I mean, it's not our last sunset, it's our last sunset while crossing the Pacific Ocean. We'll see plenty more of these.
Yeah.
You just ready to see some land in the background?
Yeah. Most definitely.